Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today, we're diving into how to use Battle Pass XP in Call of Duty Mobile and how it can help you level up faster. Now, let's get started. In Call of Duty Mobile, playing various game modes is a great way to earn Battle Pass XP. You can try out multiplayer, battle royale, or even zombies mode. Zombies often gives more BP XP, so it's a great choice if you're looking to level up quickly. Don't forget to complete daily and weekly tasks. These challenges refresh often and offer a lot of BP XP, so keep checking and completing them for a steady XP boost. Watch out for events. Call of Duty Mobile runs seasonal and featured events that offer extra Battle Pass XP. Just complete the challenges during these events, and you'll see your levels rise faster. Keep an eye out for double BP XP boosts. Sometimes Call of Duty Mobile offers these special tokens or events, which double the BP XP you earn. Make sure to activate them during your play sessions. And if you're in a hurry, you can always purchase Battle Pass tiers with COD points. This lets you skip ahead to higher tiers, but it's optional, so no pressure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more great tips.